Rebuild your finances. How a bankruptcy lawyer can help you. Part 3. Dispelling myths about bankruptcy. Do you always struggle with money? Every year, millions of Americans battle crippling debt, but there is a way out: seeing a bankruptcy attorney. A bankruptcy attorney can assist in guiding you through the procedure and offer helpful guidance on your alternatives. Don't allow apprehension about the future prevent you from obtaining the necessary debt relief. Did you know? 2 little-known facts. Fact 1. Because bankruptcy rules and regulations are always changing, it's crucial to find a lawyer who stays current on new developments and can provide you the most accurate information possible. Fact 2. In certain situations, rather of declaring for bankruptcy, bankruptcy lawyers assist in negotiating with creditors to reduce or eliminate debt. It's crucial to have an experienced expert on your side to help you through the bankruptcy filing process because it may be a challenging and daunting procedure. A bankruptcy attorney can help you navigate the legal system and make wise decisions by offering crucial counsel and assistance throughout the process. Additionally, they may assist safeguard your property and legal rights, improve your chances of winning, and guarantee that your case is handled properly and swiftly. Employing a bankruptcy attorney might give you financial relief and peace of mind. Welcome to Part 3 of our 4-part series on bankruptcy law. In our previous video, we looked at the role of a bankruptcy lawyer, as well as what they can do to help you during the process and the importance of having a lawyer on your side. In this video, we'll discuss common bankruptcy myths as well as information on how a lawyer may assist clear up misunderstandings. Let's talk about common myths concerning bankruptcy. 7 common myths about bankruptcy. For people and companies facing bankruptcy, a lawyer who specializes in bankruptcy law may be a priceless resource. By giving precise and current information on the bankruptcy procedure and responding to any queries, they may assist in clearing up misunderstandings. Additionally, a lawyer can represent a person or company in court and guide them through the legal system. 7 myths include the following. Misconception 1. Bankruptcy is an indication of financial failure. And only negligent people or corporations declare bankruptcy. Anybody can experience financial difficulty and fall on hard times. Overwhelming debt is a result of a variety of factors, including unforeseen occurrences, medical bills, and job loss. Bankruptcy might offer a fresh start and a way out in certain situations. It permits both people and organizations to rearrange their finances and discharge certain obligations. Misconception 2. In bankruptcy, all assets will be forfeited. A common misunderstanding: all assets will be lost if you file for bankruptcy. Most of the time, people can use exclusions to maintain certain assets. Certain assets are shielded from liquidation in bankruptcy by exemption legislation. These consist of a principal dwelling, personal belongings, business equipment, and specific retirement funds. Misconception 3. You can only declare bankruptcy once. It is an erroneous belief that you can only declare bankruptcy only once in your lifetime. Various deadlines apply based on the kind of bankruptcy that is filed. Making a bankruptcy filing might significantly lower your credit score and make it more difficult for you to get credit in the future. In a second bankruptcy filing, some debts including taxes, school loans, and others could not be dischargeable. Misconception 4. Your credit score will be ruined by bankruptcy. Your credit score will be impacted by bankruptcy depending on several variables, including the kind of bankruptcy filed, your credit score before to filing, and any subsequent actions. After declaring bankruptcy, some people discover that their credit score increases as they are no longer under the burden of mounting debt. A bankruptcy filing is not the end of your financial existence. Rather, it is a chance for you to start over and attempt to repair your credit. Misconception 5. Student loans are not dischargeable in bankruptcy. Most people agree that student loans are non-dischargeable debts. Student loans may, however, occasionally be erased in bankruptcy. The borrower's earnings, outgoings, and assets will be considered by the court. It's vital to remember that student debt discharges during bankruptcy are uncommon. Misconception 6. All obligations will be forgiven. Many people believe that filing for bankruptcy will result in the discharge of all debts. Taxes, school loans, and alimony are just a few of the items that may not be dischargeable in bankruptcy. Additionally, bankruptcy filing can halt wage garnishments and collection efforts. To learn which debts are dischargeable and which are not, it's crucial to see a professional bankruptcy attorney. Misconception 7. The procedure of declaring bankruptcy is short and simple. The legal process of declaring bankruptcy entails several procedures and documentation, and it may be difficult and time-consuming. Depending on the type of bankruptcy that was filed and the individual's particular financial condition, the procedure may change. It's vital to remember that declaring bankruptcy can be intellectually and emotionally stressful. The greatest choice for your circumstance may be made with the assistance of a professional bankruptcy attorney. Comment on what you think about this. We're halfway through our video. Do click on our like and subscribe buttons for more good information. Let's now go over the bankruptcy facts and how a lawyer may aid to dispel any misunderstandings. 7 bankruptcy facts and how an attorney can help to diffuse confusion. An attorney who specializes in bankruptcy law can be an invaluable resource for individuals and businesses considering filing for bankruptcy. They can help to diffuse confusion by providing accurate and up-to-date information about the bankruptcy process, and by answering any questions. An attorney can also represent the individual or business in court and help them to navigate the legal process. Fact 1. Eligibility. A bankruptcy attorney can assist in determining if a person or corporation is eligible for bankruptcy as well as the form of bankruptcy that is most appropriate for their circumstances. Fact 2. Assets protection. To safeguard certain assets, such as a principal house or personal property, throughout the bankruptcy process, a bankruptcy lawyer can provide advice on the exemptions that are available. Fact 3. Debt discharge. A bankruptcy attorney can provide guidance on the kinds of debt that may and cannot be dismissed under bankruptcy. Fact 4. Reaffirmation agreements. A lawyer can offer advice about reaffirmation agreements, which permit people to preserve some assets, such as a car or home, and make payments on them even after filing for bankruptcy. Fact 5. Automatic stay. A lawyer can offer advice on how to take advantage of the automatic stay, which halts most collection efforts by creditors. Fact 6. Long-term effects. An attorney may provide advice on the long-term effects of bankruptcy, including how they may affect credit scores and if they may lead to future financial issues. Fact 7. Motion and appeals. An attorney can provide guidance on the motions and appeals that may be made if a discharge or set of exemptions is rejected, as well as any other problems that may come up throughout the bankruptcy process. People and companies may not be aware of all their alternatives due to the complexity and complication of the bankruptcy procedure. A bankruptcy attorney can give precise advice on the many forms of bankruptcy that are accessible. They can advocate for the person or company in court and assist in negotiating with creditors and the court to defend their rights and assets. Do you know of someone who can benefit from this? Tell us in the comment section. And be sure to click on our like and subscribe buttons. Conclusion. When looking for a trustworthy bankruptcy attorney, it's crucial to do your homework, set up consultations, verify their credentials, get references, think about the charge, and ensure that you can communicate openly with them. A bankruptcy attorney can assist you in navigating the legal procedure and guarantee that your documentation is correctly and promptly filled out. They can help you bargain with creditors and educate you on the exclusions that are available to preserve certain assets. A bankruptcy attorney will assist you in making the most of the bankruptcy procedure as well as represent you in court. An expert attorney will be able to provide you advice on the different steps in the bankruptcy procedure as well as any problems that could come up. The long-term effects of bankruptcy, such as how they may affect your credit score and the likelihood of future financial issues, can also be discussed with an expert attorney. You may get the help and direction you need to navigate the bankruptcy process and make wise decisions about your financial future by hiring a bankruptcy attorney. Finding a lawyer with whom you can communicate easily and who also possesses the training and expertise required to handle your case should take some time. It's crucial to get legal advice from a trustworthy bankruptcy attorney if you're thinking about declaring bankruptcy. You can get the direction and assistance you need to work your way through the legal system from a lawyer. Avoid attempting to navigate the complicated bankruptcy procedure by yourself. A lawyer can help you make the most of the debt relief options available to you. In this video, we examined the common myths about bankruptcy. In our next and final video of this series, we'll examine the significance of selecting the right lawyer. Comment on what you'd like us to feature next in our channel. Check out our playlists for more useful information like this. And remember to hit the like and subscribe buttons. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.